Today, we're going to be installing and reviewing Olixar's glass screen protector for the Apple Watch. The watch we have here is a Series 5 44mm. However, the process will remain the same regardless of which model you have. To start with, you're going to want to turn off the Apple Watch. This will stop the screen from lighting up during installation. In the box, you'll get screen protector, wet wipes, a microfiber cloth and a dust sticker. So to start with, let's clean the screen. Grab the wet wipe and wipe the whole display. Next up, grab the microfiber cloth and wipe away any moisture until it's completely clean. Next, you'll need to dab the dust sticker on the display to lift off any dust. Take your time with this step, as it's important not to get any dust trapped underneath the screen protector. Next up, grab the glass screen protector, then remove the back of the screen protector and carefully line it up with the device. I like to hover it over the screen until I'm happy with the position and then gently lower it down. Now, you can grab the microfiber cloth and run it down the screen protector to start sticking it to your device. You can then work any bubbles out with the microfiber cloth by pushing them towards the edge of the screen protector. So there you go, Olixar's glass screen protector for the Apple Watch. If you want to purchase one for your Apple Watch, check out the links below. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you drop us a like and subscribe.